What's up guys, it's me Carlos with Carlos's iHelp 101, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your iPhone 4/4S glass back. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna need I think it's a T6 screwdriver. So you're gonna have to take out these two screws. I'll take them out and be right back. And when you take out these two screws here, you just get your back and push it up a little bit, and then the whole glass back comes out just like that. There it is. Now to put it back in, you're going to put it about a millimeter from the top in there and just push back down, and then just replace these two screws. So I'll place those back and be right back. That's your glass back replaced. I just put in these two screws, and that's really it guys. Thanks for watching and peace. Till next time.